हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम देखेंगे जीडीएनटी का सेशन थ्री में जीडीएनटी रूल्स एंड कंसेप्ट्स हम आज देखेंगे। जीडीएनटी रूल्स एंड कंसेप्ट समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें फीचर कंट्रोल फ्रेम अंडरस्टैंड करना होगा। फीचर कंट्रोल फ्रेम एक फ्रेम होता है जिसमें हम टॉलरेंसेस, डेटम्स एंड टॉलरेंसेस के सिंबल्स एंड मटेरियल कंडीशन शो करते हैं। In feature control frame has the following concepts: a geometric characteristic symbol, second is tolerances zone descriptor, third is tolerances of location, fourth is material condition symbol, fifth is primary, secondary and tertiary data। हम स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट हमने एक ज्योमेट्रिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिंबल्स को ऐड किया है। सेकेंड, हमने डायमेंशनल टॉलरेंसेस ऐड की है। थर्ड चीज इज हमने मटेरियल कंडीशन ऐड की है। एंड दिस इज ABC इज द प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी डेटम्स। अब हम देखते हैं कि मटेरियल कंडीशन होता क्या है। मटेरियल कंडीशंस मीन्स to overcome shortcomings in symbols, modifiers can be added to change their meaning. They can be either maximum material condition or least material condition. Maximum material condition. What is the maximum material condition? Maximum material condition means is the condition in which a feature of size contains the maximum amount of material everywhere within the started limits of size. This means that the tolerances is at the extreme that would result if too little material was cut off and the maximum material remains. Maximum material condition symbol shows by the M. And what is the least material condition? Least material conditions is the condition in which feature of size contains the least amount of material everywhere within the started limit of size. This means that the tolerances is the at extreme that would result if too much material was cut off and the minimum material remains. Least material condition symbol shows by L. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम देखते हैं कि कंसेप्ट्स में विजुअल कंडीशंस। व्हाट इज द विजुअल कंडीशंस? Visual conditions shows in the screen, which is shows in the image, is represented by red symbol, red circle. This circle shows the visual conditions. What is visual condition? Visual condition is a constant boundary generated by the collective efforts of size, feature specified NMC or LMC, and the geometric tolerances for the material condition. Visual condition for external feature. This is visual condition for external feature. Visual condition of external feature is calculated as pin maximum material condition and pin diameter. They both are calculated as adding condition, which is shows the pin visual condition. This is in this figure the external feature visual condition for external feature is dia 26.9. This is visual condition for internal feature. Internal feature, the visual condition is calculated as maximum material condition of hole minus hole diameter. The visual condition for internal feature in this sketch shows the diameter 29.1. This is imaginary envelope in space will maintain the whole boundary outside itself. GD&T, geometric dimension and tolerances, creates the rules. These rules are two rules. First rule is individual feature of size, perfect form at maximum material condition or envelope rule, where only a tolerances of size is specified. The limit of the limit of size of an individual feature prescribe the extent to which variation in its geometric form as well as size are allowed. Second rule number two is RF supplies with respect to the individual tolerances, datum references, or both, where no modifying symbol is specified. MMC maximum material condition or LMC least material condition must be specified on the drawing where it is required. Thank you so much.